Hi everyone, so I just got this Zippo hand warmer and I'm quite excited about it honestly. I know Christmas is done and dusted, but winter is still here for months, isn't it? And actually, this would make a cracking gift anytime birthdays, Valentine's, or just because someone you know always has freezing hands. I'm thinking this will be perfect for dog walks, watching football outside, or even just sitting at my desk when it's cold indoors. And it's Zippo, so it should last ages. Right, so the clever thing, this isn't one of those single use warmers you throw away. You fill it with lighter fluid and it gives you heat for up to 12 hours. No flame or anything, just this catalytic reaction thing that keeps your hand properly warm. Anyway, if you're still dealing with the cold for the next few months, maybe worth grabbing one. I will give it a proper go and let you know what I think. Cheers!